Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Kendall Smith.
All right, well, it's a winter whiplash out there for us today. This is taking a live look out in downtown Tulsa. This was from one of our photographers earlier this morning of the rain mixed in with a few snowflakes that was falling. So that's a pretty nice sight to see, but it is cold and it is also very unusual for this late in the season. So let's switch things back over to Links 1. So are you ready for a late spring freeze? Well, not only is Old Man Winter bringing us that rain snow mix today, but also a hard freeze tomorrow morning. So looking back at our latest spring freezes, the latest one on record was back in 1909 on May 2nd. And then last year for 2020, it comes in at 6th place on April 18th. So we do have a freeze warning in effect already for all of us in green country. This is from 1 a.m. until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And so it is going to be a very frigid night on the way for us. We could see about 6 to 8 hours of below freezing temperatures. So by the time we start off tomorrow morning, upper 20s to low 30s. Big coats will be needed. So if you've already done some gardening, here's what you need to know. So the plants that you can let go, broccoli, lettuce, onions, carrots, cauliflower, and any other hardy herbs, they should be okay. But what you need to cover up is tomatoes, peppers, corn, squash, cucumbers, and beans. Just make sure that they are covered because we have a very hard freeze that is about to take place. So right now we're just tracking this mid to upper level trough that's moving through green country. So we can see the snow that's falling from Veneta down to Spavinaw, all the way down to Tahlequah, and then from Chelsea, Adair down to Muskogee, and then all the way over to Bristow and Stroud, we can see some light rain mixing in with a few snowflakes. And that's exactly what we're seeing in downtown currently. So temperatures coming in at 36 degrees. Winds are blustery out of the north at 16 miles an hour. And our dew point is at 34. So we are seeing similar temperatures across the area, but it is just a little bit warmer down in southeast Oklahoma as temperatures are in the upper 40s to low 50s. 41 in Fayetteville, 36 in Tahlequah. We're also at 36 here in the metro and 40 up in Bartlesville. So we are going to rebound just a little bit this afternoon. We'll see afternoon highs top out in the low to mid 40s in most locations as the system pushes off to the south and to the east. And it should be out of here by around the 4 to 5 o'clock time frame. And then fair skies will prevail tonight. We're starting off tomorrow morning very, very chilly in the upper 20s to low 30s. But then by tomorrow afternoon, we'll see partly cloudy skies and afternoon highs will top out in the upper 50s, even possibly the low 60s in some locations. But we are still below average. Where we should be for this time of the year is in fact the low 70s. So our precipitation zone for today, just mainly some light snow from Coffeyville down to Bartlesville, Tahlequah, and then this mixing zone for us here in the metro down to Fort Smith, Arkansas, and then just rain falling from Bristol all the way down to Poto. So our timeline for today, it's really centered right around this time. So from right now all the way until about the 2 o'clock time frame, we are watching for some light rain, snow mixing over. But then right around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we'll drop those chances off. And by tonight, we will be dry. So by this afternoon, low 40s, a few showers will be lingering, and then by 9 p.m., upper 30s to low 40s. And as we head into Wednesday, upper 50s, partly cloudy skies. It is pretty nice for the majority of the day on Thursday before our next storm system slides into the area Thursday night to Friday. We could have some strong storms on Friday that will linger into Saturday, but then mid 70s on Sunday and back into the 80s by Monday.